So we're going to play a quick little game to understand a little more about Kendal AI.
Yeah.
This is called the Twitter Pitch Challenge.
Oh, God.
And Twitter is known for its 280 character limit on every tweet, which sometimes makes it slightly harder to convey your thoughts. So it takes about 20 seconds to speak to 80 characters, and that's your challenge, to explain to us Kendal AI in 20 seconds.
Yeah.
But you also need to use one emoji and one hashtag. Your emoji cannot be rocket emoji.
Oh, go on. Okay.
Got it? Wait.
Sure.
We're going to intimidate you a bit with a timer.
Yeah. I got a timer over my head all the time. This is not new.
Okay,
3, 2, 1, go.
Kendal is a social media management tool for the real estate business. We make sure that brokers and brokerages can focus on what they're good at, selling, and they don't have to waste their time doing boring back-end things. Hashtag real estate 2024. Hashtag best brokers in the business.
One hashtag emoji.
Hashtag peace sign.
Emoji.
Oh wait, what? Peace sign?
Hashtag peace sign.
Oh wow.
Hashtag emoji.
You got it. My brain is glitching. I need another coffee. Yeah.
So you failed the
challenge. Oh,
Good
man.
start.
Yeah.
Good start.
Yeah. Am I gonna have to do like push-ups or something now?
We should now start
We
happening.
should start.
Yeah, we should
Because I couldn't
definitely
do
do
that
some kind of
either,
punch.
to be honest. So, yeah.